Guys, this is my fermented rice water. I left it for 2 days, 2 good days. You have to leave it for 2 days. My hair before I had a haircut. I had a haircut 2 months ago. This was it 2 months ago. And this is it now. See? This is how to do it. You'll be needing half cup of rice. Make sure to wash it thoroughly with clean water. Wash it well. After washing the rice, get to a clean bowl or any container you have. Make sure it's very neat because we'll be using the rice water both for hair growth and also for skin, depending on what you want to use it for. But me, I normally use it for my skin as well. Then you have to get clean water. Pour 1 cup of water. You can fill it to the brim. It depends on you. I do fill it depending on the amount of rice you use, either half cup or 1 cup of rice. Then cover it. Make sure to cover it well because you are going to be infusing it for some days. Cover it well so that no dust will enter inside. After you have covered it, you will have to leave it for 2 good days to infuse because we are going to use the fermented rice water. After 2 days, bring it out. You will notice the color changes. It has odor, but ignore the odor because you will see benefits of rice water. If you want to apply it, let it be deep down your scalp. You don't have to pour the whole water like this. No, it will just be a waste of time. If you want to apply rice water, the proper way to apply it so that it will grow your hair faster is by using your hand like this. You hear? Use it to massage your scalp. Don't mind the way I'm doing this because this thing is on my hand. That is why I have shown you more. See? Massage it. Let it be wet. Let it be as if it has been moisturized. Massage it well. Like this on your scalp. Like this. Then move to another side. You get? That's how you'll be using it. Don't mind the smell. It smells, but don't mind it. Just for some time, then you wash it off. You see? Massage it. You see? On your scalp. Not on your tip. Not on the tip of the hair. On your scalp. Deep down your scalp. If you want your hair to grow faster. After you understand, do everything. After you have to leave it on your hair for 2 hours. 2 hours. After you have left it on your hair for 2 hours, then wash it off with cold water. Yes, cold water and shampoo as always.